Hello everyone. I'm with you. I'm Alina.
And I am Rahim.
Welcome to Daily English Podcast 2.0. This podcast is for beginners who want to learn English in a simple, easy, and natural way. Here you will learn how to listen to English, how to think in English, how to speak English slowly and clearly.
English learning tips for beginners. 1. Don't try to understand every word. 2. Just listen and enjoy the story. 3. Repeat after the speaker. 4. Listen to the same episode again and again. 5. Speak English every day, even for 5 minutes. Remember one thing.
Consistency is more important than perfection. Now, relax, take a deep breath, and let's start today's story.
Waking up early in the morning.
Chapter 1. A Very Ordinary Life. Rahim was an ordinary man. He was not rich, he was not famous, he was not special. Rahim lived in a small town. He worked in a small office. His life was simple, but also boring. Every day Rahim woke up late. He woke up at 9:30 am, sometimes at 10 am. His alarm rang many times, but Rahim pressed the snooze button again and again. Just 5 more minutes, he said. 5 minutes became 10. 10 minutes became 30. When Rahim finally woke up, he felt tired, lazy, angry with himself. His morning always started with stress.
Chapter 2. A rushed morning. Rahim jumped out of bed. Oh no, I'm late again. He rushed to the bathroom. He brushed his teeth very fast. He took a quick shower. No time for breakfast. No time for exercise. No time for peace.
He wore his clothes in a hurry. He ran to the bus stop. Every morning, the same story. At the office, Rahim felt sleepy, unfocused, unmotivated. His boss was not happy. His work was not improving. Rahim asked himself silently, "Why is my life not changing?"
Chapter 3. A Sleepless Night. One night, Rahim could not sleep. He was thinking about his life. I work hard, but I am not successful. I try, but I feel stuck. I am always tired. He looked at the clock. It was 2 am. Then he opened his phone. He started scrolling social media. Suddenly, he saw a video. The title said, "Wake up early, change your life." Rahim smiled. "This is nonsense," he said. But still, he clicked the video.
Chapter 4. The Message That Changed Everything. In the video, an old man was speaking calmly. He said, "Your morning decides your future. People who wake up early have time for themselves. They grow slowly but strongly." Rahim felt something inside his heart. The old man continued, "Try waking up early for just 7 days. If nothing changes, you can stop." Rahim closed his phone. He thought deeply. 7 days. I can try. That night, Rahim set his alarm for 5:30 am. His heart was nervous. His mind was unsure, but he slept.
Chapter 5. The First Early Morning. Alarm rang at 5:30 am. Rahim opened one eye. What is this time? His body wanted to sleep. His bed felt very comfortable. But then he remembered. Just 7 days. Slowly, very slowly, Rahim sat up. He felt strange. The world was quiet. No noise, no rush. He went to the window. The sky was soft orange and blue. Birds were singing. Rahim whispered, "Wow."
Chapter 6. A New Kind of Peace. Rahim made a cup of tea. He sat quietly. No phone, no stress, just silence. For the first time, Rahim felt peace. He took a deep breath. He thought, "I never see this world." That morning, Rahim stretched his body, walked for 10 minutes, ate a simple breakfast. When he reached the office, something was different.
Chapter 7. Small Changes, Big Feelings. Rahim felt awake, fresh, confident. His mind was clear. He finished his work faster. He made fewer mistakes. His boss noticed. "Good job, Rahim," his boss said. Rahim smiled. That night, Rahim slept early.
Chapter 8. Day 2, Day 3. Day 2 was easier. Day 3 was better. Rahim started enjoying mornings. He read simple English stories. He listened to English podcasts. He practiced speaking alone. "Good morning, Rahim. Today will be a good day." Slowly, Rahim was changing. Not fast, but real.
Chapter 9. 1 month later. After 1 month, Rahim was a different man. He woke up at 5 a.m. without alarm. He exercised. He learned English. He planned his day. His confidence grew. His life felt organized. People asked him, "What is your secret?" Rahim smiled and said, "I wake up early."
Chapter 10. The real lesson. Rahim understood one thing. Waking up early does not make you successful, but it gives you time, discipline, self-respect. And these things change your life slowly but surely.
Chapter 11. A new morning routine. Rahim now had a morning routine. Every day, he woke up at 5 a.m. Not because someone forced him, not because of fear. He woke up because he wanted to. After waking up, Rahim did 5 simple things. 1. He drank a glass of water. 2. He stretched his body slowly. 3. He walked outside for fresh air. 4. He listened to English audio. 5. He planned his day. These were small things, but they made a big difference. Rahim felt in control of his life.
Chapter 12. Learning English in the morning. Rahim noticed something interesting. In the morning, his brain was fresh, calm, ready to learn. So he decided, morning is my English time. He listened to slow English podcasts. He repeated sentences loudly. For example, he said, "Good morning, I am learning English. I can speak English slowly." He didn't worry about mistakes. Mistakes were his teachers.
Chapter 13. Talking to himself. Every morning, Rahim talked to himself. Yes, to himself. He stood in front of the mirror and said, "Rahim, you are improving. Rahim, don't give up. Rahim, today is a new day." At first, it felt strange, but later it felt powerful. Positive words changed his thinking.
Chapter 14. The Old Friend. One day, Rahim met his old friend Kareem. Kareem looked tired. Kareem looked stressed. Kareem said, "Brother, life is very hard." Rahim smiled softly. He asked, "What time do you wake up?" Kareem said, "Usually at 10 or 11. Rahim nodded. Then he said, "Try waking up early." Kareem laughed. "Impossible," he said. Rahim did not argue. He just said, "Try for 7 days."
Chapter 15. Teaching by example. Rahim did not talk much. He showed his change through action. He was calm, he was confident, he was focused. People noticed. At the office, Rahim got more responsibility. He was trusted. His income slowly increased. Not suddenly, but steadily.
Chapter 16. A difficult morning. One day, Rahim felt very tired. His body was heavy, his mind was slow. The alarm rang at 5 a.m. Rahim wanted to sleep. He thought, one day off is okay. Then he remembered something important. Discipline is doing things even when you don't feel like it. He got up. That day, he felt proud of himself.
Chapter 17. Failure is a part of the journey. Not every day was perfect. Some days, he woke up late. He skipped exercise. He felt lazy. But Rahim did not quit. He told himself, it's okay to fail. It's not okay to stop. He continued.
Chapter 18. 1 year later. 1 year passed. Rahim's life was completely different. He was healthier, happier, more confident. His English improved a lot. He could understand movies, he could speak with foreigners, he could explain his thoughts. All because of one habit, waking up early.
Chapter 19. A morning walk conversation. One morning, Rahim was walking. An old man asked him, "Why do you wake up so early?" Rahim smiled. He said, "Because mornings give me life." The old man nodded. "That is true," he said.
Dear listener, this story is not just about Rahim. This story is about you. You don't need motivation. You need habit.
You don't need perfection. You need consistency.
Tonight, sleep early, wake up early, try again tomorrow.
Remember, one small habit can change your whole life.
Thank you for listening to Daily English Podcast 2.0. See you in the next episode. Ta-ta!
Thanks for watching, waiting for next part. And now we are coming to the end of today's story. Thank you so much for listening till the end. You did a great job.
Remember, learning English is not about speed, it is about consistency. Even if you learn one word, one sentence, one idea,
Every day, you are improving. Quick English reminder. Listen again if you can. Repeat your favorite lines.
speak out loud, even alone. If you enjoyed this story, if this story helped you relax, learn, or feel inspired, please support the channel.
Grammarly, like this video. It helps more.
Be learners, find us.
And subscribe to Daily English Podcast 2.0 so you never miss our future stories. Comment below. Tell us, where are you listening from? Do you like coffee? Which part of the story you enjoyed most? Your comments motivate us to create more content for you.
Share this podcast with friends, family, anyone who wants to learn easy English. We upload simple stories, real-life English, and calm listening practice regularly. So, stay with us. Until next time, keep listening, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself.
This is Daily English Podcast 2.0, signing off.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now, coffee stars.